amongst all the religious communities in the world, there is no one who can show a candle to the Muslims.
Okay.
If you compare Quran with any other religious scripture, no one can show a candle. You understand, no?
Yeah.
So that's the reason my specialty is comparative religion. I study the scriptures of the various religions. And I say that, okay, I was a Muslim because my father was a Muslim maybe till the age of 19. Because I was born in a Muslim family and I just followed. But after that, I started studying comparative religion. So when I studied comparative religion, then I studied the various, now I'm Muslim by choice. If someone can show me a religious scripture better than the Quran, I'm ready to accept Islam. I'm ready to give up Islam, sorry.
Okay.
If someone can prove to me religion better than Islam, I'm ready to change. But I know there's no religion better than Islam.
Okay.
I know there is no scripture in the world which is better than the Quran. So that is the reason I'm a student of comparative religion. And I said, okay, let's study the scripture. Don't look at the followers. But even as the followers today, in census today, according to census, the Christians may be about 2.4, 2.6 billion in the world. Muslims are more than 2 billion. But in terms of following, Muslims are much higher. Majority of the Muslims at least follow Islam. Even if they don't pray 5 times a day, they pray a few times a day. They at least pray Jummah Salah, majority of them. But most of the Christians, they're namesake Christians. They fill the sense. They may be atheists. They may not believe Jesus is God, but they fill the senses as. So in terms of practicing any religion, Muslims are number one in the world.